Hi there, just taking a quick video of the Cuisinart 50-ounce jar. This is a monster. It's pretty nice. It's got the cast metal base, heavy, not gonna fall over. The glass jar with a really nice comfortable handle. The lid with the little thing that you can take off and just add stuff on there. And it's got the timer. So I'm going to turn it on, but before I do, because it's going to make the noise, you turn it on, then you can press either low or high. Now I press the ice crush and it does, but I think it also does the pulsing because I touch the pulse and nothing happens. So I don't have the manual, I don't know how to use it. It does work, but I don't know how the pulse works. It's not working for me, and I'll show you. So here we go. On, low, you see the timer is going too, by the way. It's stopped, but when it was going, it goes. See, so here is the, but here is the, not the. See, when the light turns on, they're both flashing. So I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! I meant to confuse you. Yes, I did. So you press the pulse and then you decide if you want to pulse it low or high. See? Mama raised a smart cookie. So, pretty cool. Now listen, it's got, I don't know what that is in there. I did feel it, and you can feel it a little bit. I think it's where stuff, you know, juices or whatever move around. But it's still pretty solid. And I don't think this is an issue. No, I don't think it is. It is used, but I think it's still got a lot of life left. And it will be for sale. Hi, hi, hi.